I love the fact when you got to wake up early in the morning, you can't sleep the night before. It's not fair at all. So we just got our oil changed, and it took forever because, of course, like any other time, something was wrong with it.
You just push that grass back into that dude's face.
He shouldn't have been blowing it towards my car onto the road. But now we're going to get groceries so we can make something for lunch. My nose itches. What an eventful day. We took yesterday off to be lazy. That's why there was no video. I don't think you wanted to see us just sit there and play video games all day. Maybe you did. Maybe you didn't. I don't know. What am I even talking about? Say something.
Something.
It's a beautiful day outside again. It's a beautiful day outside again. Isn't it nice?
Yes.
We need to mow our grass again. It's 6 feet tall. It's up to my shin. Isn't it nice? Lily, are you gonna go poop? We gotta clean the little thing off of our grill because we're making ribs tonight. And it's kind of charred. So he's gonna spray it off.
Watch out.
I'm watching out. Okay, it's not doing anything. So at least it's not broken where it sprays everywhere. Well, that worked.
Okay. Is that soap?
No, it's from not being used for a while.
Huh.
That was easy. That was easy. Well, it was a beautiful day, and we tried to grill, and we're still grilling, but look at what is happening. I don't even know if that's showing up, but it's pouring. Ah! It's raining so hard, and I'm so mad. Why can't it just be pretty day, and that's it? No. No, there's air. So I think Tyler is liking my ribs because half the slab is almost gone. Is that yummy?
Mm-hmm.
Got one more cooking, and I'll show you what it looks like. Oop, door's opening. So good. I'm so excited. It's probably all in my teeth because I've already ate some. And we're eating that with garlic and herb potatoes. Good dinner, I have to say. I'm excited. Are you ready to say our good night?
Yeah.
Even though we're not going to sleep tonight?
I'm not going to sleep.
We're going to play Grand Theft Auto all night.
I'm actually about to get off and watch Trailer Park Boys.
Trailer Park Boys?
Yeah.
On Netflix?
Yeah.
Oh, my eyes are burning. Okay.
Hey, how come each of our
Different?
things are different?
They just are.
Because I'm like level 25 in my crew.
Just rub it in. Don't stick that in my nose.
Oh, well, yeah.
Alright, but that's our life
For now.
for now.